He's working over there now. Something very important.
Very.
Who tightened those things up? You know who tightened those?
Probably you.
My zip gun. Were they tight?
It was tight.
Must have been working.
They were tight.
You want a zip gun? Okay. Damn, look at all these bolts they got on these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We don't want anything to fall off. Okay?
There's 7 bolts in a foot.
So
Well, maybe 14 inches.
I don't want anything falling off.
Damn, they got so damn many damn crap going on here. They must have spent a lot of R&D time making all this crap up.
Look, there's a whole other like 75 pounds right up there. You can
yeah,
add on
that's
to
more
it.
of it. Yeah.
Gives a better traction to your back wheel.
Are we gonna lose this crap off here tonight, or are we gonna keep it on?
I'll leave it there for now.
Okay. This sure looks nice after you cleaned it.
I'll leave it there. It's holding my license plate on for now.
Man, that thing's got, those threads are unhappy. Bunch of Loctite on them. Lock them tight. Okay, look up
Not
underneath
really.
the fenders. Is there a nut up in there, or is it open?
No, I put it back up there so we don't lose it.
I have to take it off now.
Did you do that?
Do what? About it?
Did you do that?
Do what?
Oh, scratches.
Scratches? What scratches? You mean these things here?
Yeah.
I don't know nothing about scratches.
Mm-hmm. You look guilty.
Well, I don't really care about them either, so there you go. Now, he did not like the fact that when you take these ugly rails off, Harley has these bungs sitting
I was
there.
gonna buy these. I started looking at all of them. And
They have holes on
Harley,
here.
in all their wisdom,
They got holes on every one made.
they just have holes in them. I was like,
Yeah. They put a hole through them and
I'd
then,
have bought them, they'd have showed up, and I'd have been like, "There's fucking holes in these."
yeah, you've been
I
pissed
can do that
off.
all by myself.
Yeah.
That is the dumbest thing.
They're all made with holes.
I'd like to have been there for that conversation. Well, should we? Nah.
We'll just make them all the same.
Run them. Just run them. Nobody's gonna care.
Take all that crap off, make an FL out of it.
That's what we're gonna do. All this extra frill and front. If anybody wants to buy these beautiful bag rails,
These are available.
they're available.
500 bucks
They come with a
with a pack. With
75-pound pack.
75 pack. With a queen
Gives you
seat.
better traction.
With a queen seat and speakers.
Yep, speakers.
Got everything.
Probably got some.
So you get 500 bucks for rails. How much for that? 500 bucks for that too? 1,000 bucks.
Bucks. Package
money.
deal. Package deal.
He'll ship it wherever you want to go in the U.S.
Yeah.
Well, continental U.S., not the.
Shipping's gonna cost you more than buying the product. I
Hey,
promise.
they pay 1,000 bucks for this crap. You'll ship it for free, right?
$1,000. They don't have to get anywhere close to $1,000 to have that stuff.
Yeah, then have to pay the shipping though.
Yeah, the shipping's gonna be $1,000.
What about these two mufflers? They're Harley screaming turds.
I like them. They sound good.
Okay, he likes those.
They work well with our little.
He likes those.
What cam are we running in this thing?
Nobody knows what this sounds like because it has never been read on video.
They don't even know that it runs. What cam are we running this?
It might be a year
We're
later.
running one of a Tatro special.
It's an EV
He
something.
bought all of Andrew's products evidently. He's sitting on thousands and thousands of them. So he wants to sell me the Andrew's cam that I'll possibly buy from him.
No, I got crane cams. I don't have
Oh,
Andrews.
it's a crane?
What's the Andrews number over there?
I think I didn't buy the crane because he said they make noise.
They might make noise.
Might. It's just he said, I do remember saying might, so maybe it does.
But I
maybe
can
it
guarantee the other part, they will run good.
doesn't.
But they might make noise.
We are running a TW37 in this,
Oh, that's it?
which
That's a baby
is
cam.
supposed to be a lot like an EV27.
That's like a touring cam.
It's supposed to be really close to like an EV27.
Why would you be using a touring cam?
Huh?
Why would you be using a touring cam?
It's a touring bike.
I thought the road turd. Oh, yeah, it's turning turd. Yeah,
You know,
it's close to a turning
it
turd.
is what it is. Sometimes it is what it is.
Okay, you got that tightened down yet?
I'm working on it right
I don't know. You're gonna get lost here. Not.
now.
Okay, I'm pretty sure this is gonna rattle like half the other shit did on the bike.
Listen, you wouldn't hear it, it rattles. There's so much shit back there that rattles. The bags rattle, everything back there rattles.
Well, it has a lot less rattles than it had when we first got it.
Oh my god, this thing rattle, it's a rattle trap. There's just so much stuff hanging off of it. Like you chase one, another leaves right there for you.
Yeah,
It's frustrating.
it's a rattle trap. Oh, what's that?
Now, this Tatro,
He's bringing out power tools. Oh, somebody left a comment the tools cost too much.
which tools cost too much?
The $800 of sockets I bought.
Well,
For this.
I mean, I ain't gonna,
And what'd you
not gonna
pay?
lie.
And what'd you pay for yours?
Not gonna lie. It was a lot of money for
This doesn't look like a $180 ratchet to you?
It's not $180. I got that on sale for, I think that thing's like $1.25.
It was half price, 125, so that's 250 normal then, right?
No, I only got 20% off.
20%
But
off.
I promise you, on Black Friday, I'm gonna donk off some more money with them because I like them. I need to start building my cart so when it goes on sale at midnight, I'm gonna send it. I think that was 3/8.
That's a 3/8, yes. Flex head, short.
How would you know that?
Because I'm looking at it. I'm not stupid.
You can't look underneath there.
You like what you put a
You can't
socket
get your
on
head all the
press?
way underneath there.
Oh, and that one in there, that's 7/16.
Oh, I thought you were looking at.
I don't know what you, I just like you're talking about, I thought you're talking about the ratchet in your hand. What size is that under there?
This ain't going on here.
It's 3/8.
This hole is not the same as this hole.
Well, it's, you're gonna have to break down and use a real tool.
You weren't watching that.
You got to use a real tool here. You like this one better?
No.
It's a real tool.
I got big hands. I can't be messing around with those puny tools of yours. Sure would be nice if I had an extension in here.
About a 6-incher. Put a hole through your tire. Don't break that bolt off.
Whoop, that's just snugged up. We're good. It's got a.
It's got a safety factor in there, about 3 to 1.
Sure does. It's really nice. I'm feeling good about it.
All right.
Are you feeling good about it?
No.
Get it together.
Back up, work on this brake up here and see if the air has bled itself out
You want to
yet.
bring your air gun over here and put like 220 pounds? 220 pounds on this thing or something?
I could. I was working on the brakes though. These brakes suck. I think we have to bleed them. Ooh, there's a small screwdriver.
Breed them. You want to breed them?
Yeah, that too.
I don't know about that.
Gotta watch out for that oil in the rack there
I
too.
don't know about that, buddy. Get in trouble for things like
Well, these are
that.
Phillips screws, not straight slot.
Feelies.
That's all right. It works with straight slot too. These are universal screws. Anything makes them turn.
Universals.
Yep, you can put anything in there you want except Torx. Torx didn't work.
Interesting. That's pretty fancy stuff you're talking about.
That's right. How much fluid do you think is in here?
Glue? Do you need glue? What kind of like Elmer's glue or what are we talking
I
about?
said, how much fluid do you think is in here?
Ooh, I'm gonna say it's full.
Oh, that did not want to come off of there. That's got some of that nasty ass yellowish looking crap in
you
there.
broke it.
Oh,
Oh,
I
it's
got-
trying to lose things again.
I got fluid on my hand.
You got a rag?
No,
Jeepers.
I hope they didn't get on
What are
you.
you gonna do with it? Here, have a rag.
You got a brake bleeder.
You want a dirty one or a dirty one? This one looks pretty clean.
I don't have a rag. I got a towel.
You're more this kind of guy. This is
Oh, I saw one little air bubble came up.
This is what he considers a clean rag.
Oh, that is clean. It's still white.
This, I don't know what he calls this.
That's very clean. Don't put that on top of the fluid.
Right in the oil. Great job.
Okay, why don't you take that down there and open that bleeder up down there for me?
Teacher, that's not how we do it, remember? Were you doing the car style? Is that what you said?
I'm gonna try to pump this thing up, but it's got so much mush in
A
it.
little pumperoonie, huh?
I got pump on it right now, but it's not much.
Ain't nothing happening. is what
It's
you're saying.
it's got a lot of crap going on there.
It's got a nice fancy cup to it.
Yeah, that's nice. I like those.
What is it? It looks large.
Looks like about a
3/8.
that bleeder down there.
Yep.
That's at least a 3/8. Might even be a 7/16. Okay, we have a pedal. That thing's gonna squirt all over me when it does that. That thing's gonna squirt juices all over my legs.
Good. Whenever you're ready.
I'm ready. I've been holding it for an hour. Look at those bubbles come out. You see those bubbles come out of there?
I closed it again.
How many bubbles came out of there? Again,
Okay, we're going open. We're open.
closed.
Now we're closed.
Any bubbles that time?
No. Let's try again though.
Oh, we got sucked up a couple up here. Okay, give me about half pressure. More than that. Close it. Okay, any bubbles that time?
Nope.
Okay. Ooh, bubbles
That's
came
pretty
out.
clean. It's yellow.
It's yellow.
They call me Mellow Yellow.
Okay, go on the other side. Let's do the same thing.
Can I put this fancy dust cover back on?
The road turd cover on it? Sure, you can do that. Got bubbles coming up. Not many.
They call me Mellow Yellow.
Still got no, still all mush. I know how much those lines are swelling up down there.
Alright, you tell me when you want me to open it.
Well, I'm holding it right now. Oh, it's empty.
Swear on me. I
It's
can't-
empty.
I don't know that.
How much fluid came out?
Not a lot.
How much air?
I couldn't tell because it fired
It just came out of there quick.
Cannon.
You closed over there
Fired
yet?
like a cannon.
Are
Yeah,
you-
I'm closed.
You're closed? One more?
We're open.
It's closed.
Now we're closed.
Any air that time?
No, not that I can see. It just fired out like a volcano.
Okay, why don't you go a little bit less pressure this time? Go for it.
Alright,
Too much, close it.
closed.
No, you gotta let about half that amount
I
out next
know
time.
it keeps kind of, I'll try to ease into it. She wants to kind of let go.
Okay, let's go again.
Ready?
Let's go. One more of those little wiggles. One more wiggle. Okay, close it. Closed?
Yeah.
It's a little better, but still pretty mushy. Appears we lost a lot of fluid though. I think it went all over the fender.
It looks like it's on your leg. Fired right over at you.
Probably did.
Either that or you peed your pants. I'm not sure.
Well, you know, you've been making me work all night here and not letting me go to the facilities around here.
The salad things.
Facilities. Well, how come that screw's way down there in the rack where I can't get to it?
You want some fluid or not?
Isn't that thing way down there?
You want fluid?
No, I want a screw.
Just like heat. Like heat.
You got plenty of fluid. It's lower than it was. Here you go, you can hold on this. Hold on that second.
Nicer than the one I got.
Make sure you do that. The light's not on either. What's up with that?
Did you want the light on?
It's too late now. We've been filming for 20 minutes with no light. We don't need it now. How much should I tighten this thing down?
That light is pretty anemic, I ain't gonna lie.
How much should I lighten this? How much should I do this?
But,
When you see the rubber start squeezing out, that's
so yeah, just where it's just like it's got a little,
microscopic.
what would you call it? A muffin top. Bit of a muffin top?
Cock? A muffin cock?
Whoa, that's not what we said.
That's what it sounded like to me. Okay, so what do you think of your brake lever now?
I don't know if we did a whole lot here.
It's not going all the way to the bar like it was. It's still pretty mushy. Are those brake lines really swollen up a little bit? Or?
Not really.
You're holding it with your hand. Do you feel like doing anything stupid?
Not really. I mean, I can
Okay.
feel it flex through there, but it's not really flexing much.
There's a lot of flexing something. What about the caliper?
Can't feel anything there.
Is it moving?
Not really, no.
Okay. Well, it's better than it was because it was going a lot further. It's about half better, but still,
About a half a Rooney?
it's not as good as the other bike is. It's not as good as that road turd over there. FX thing.
Yeah, the brake is nice on this, but in this bike's defense, it's got top of the line brakes on it too.
So this one, four
Why?
pistons.
Because I almost died on that thing.
4 pistons.
Hey man, the brakes work great on this. I'm not gonna lie, they do. They work.
Well, it'll work better now.
They stop it.
See, this one's got almost no compression on it. See, this is good here. How come the front ones aren't solid like that? Okay.
Good question.
All right, so what else we got to do? Is the throttle still working or break it?
Oh, it feels so nice. Sweet.
Is it returning like it's supposed to? That's how you check it. You go just a little bit. See, it's not quite going back all the way there.
Yeah.
So when you got the thing cocked all the way full lock to the left, it slightly drags a little bit on the throttle. So you can either loosen up a little bit on this cable and see if that goes away,
We better sell it.
or you just live with it. See, so when you're, see, it's sticking a little bit right here. Now when the bike's vibrating, it'll probably be fine, but
Stiction.
friction. Yeah, actually, if you loosen it up a little bit over here, you can loosen this thing up a little bit. It might help
Can you
it.
spell that?
STRICKUFB. Fucking.
Alright.
Okay.
I don't know, you spell it so fast we can't spell check it.
I'll quit adding letters in there for no reason. Now, is this built better than that last built that we don't have yet? We didn't talk about that yet. So it's a secret.
That's brand new.
So was the other one.
Somebody named Tatro sold it to me.
I sold you
I
the
think
other.
he actually sold me a good one.
Sold you the other one
Unlike the
too.
other one.
I sold you the other one too.
He blew the belt off the red
No,
one.
no, I didn't do anything. Nope, we don't know anything about that project. That's a whole different project.
Blew
We are
the
working on.
belt off the bike.
No, we are working on road turds right now. We're not working on red bikes. How come it's a little bit loose?
Loosey goosey.
It's supposed to have 10 pounds of tension.
When you're sitting on it.
Are you sitting on it? Got a lot of weight back here. All of these were good?
Once you get none of them were popped.
Okay. I guess the lights are good then. All right, we're gonna clean this up and get back something else. Got a seat for this bike?